students, a very warm welcome to the class. How are you all? Hope you are fit and healthy, and I'm sure you are excited to learn with me. So, myself Divyani Shukla, your SST teacher, and today I'm going to start a new chapter, which is your chapter number 15, the working of the UN. UN means United Nations, which is an international organization which was created just after World War II. What is the working of UN? It was created to maintain peace. It was created to prevent wars and conflicts. UN worked. UN का जो main work है वो क्या है? It maintained peace. It worked together for maintaining peace, development, and other things. So let's begin with this chapter. Build up. Collect and paste the flags of all permanent members of the United Nations in the space provided. Write their names below each flag. So here you have to collect all the permanent members of the United Nations and you have to paste the flags and write the name of these flags. You can do this. Now, the first topic of the chapter is the United Nations UN. The United Nations UN is an international organization created in 24 October 1945, just after the World War II. It was set up to prevent wars and to help nations work together for peace, development and human rights. Let's learn about the UN and its function. So, United Nations UN एक international organization है which was created in 24 October 1945, just after the World War II. इसको सेटअप किया गया to prevent wars and conflict. It also held up to work together for peace, development and human rights. Now let's learn about UN and its function. What is the United States? The UN is like a team for countries worldwide. It helps countries talk to each other, solve problems and make the world a better place. तो UN क्या है? एक big team है बहुत सी countries के लिए. It helps countries talk to each other, solve their problems and make the world better and peaceful place. What are the goals of UN? There are 4 goals of UN. First is to bring peace and stop wars. Second is to help countries become friends, to work on improving people's life, to make sure everyone is treated fairly. So what are the 4 goals? ये peace यानी शांति लाती है, stop wars and conflicts. Countries की help करती है so that they become friends. It also work on improving people's life. It makes sure that everyone is treated fairly and have equal rights. Now it's the time of act and learn. What is the full form of the following? Full form of FAO. So can anyone guess what is the full form of FAO? Food, what is the full form of FAO? Food and Agriculture Organization. Like this you can do the remaining other full forms. Now moving to the next topic, which is how is the UN organized? We know it is organized after World War II. लेकिन ये कैसे organized हुई? Let's see. The UN has different parts that work together to run smoothly. These are like different teams with special tasks. So UN has different parts जो कि एक साथ काम करते हैं to run smoothly. There are different teams which have special tasks. First is General Assembly. This is where all the countries meet to discuss and make decisions. So General Assembly is where all the countries meet together to discuss and make some decisions for peace and development. In General Assembly, representation comes. Every country has one vote, no matter how big or small it is. तो हर country के पास vote होता है, no matter it is big or small. Functions क्या हैं इसके? The General Assembly talks about issues like peace, safety, and helping people lives better. Functions क्या हैं General Assembly के? It talks about issues like peace, safety, and also help people and improve their lives. Next part is Security Council. Security Council works to maintain peace and security around the world. Security Council works to maintain peace and also it maintains security around the world. In Security Council, it comes members. It has 15 members, including 5 permanent ones. China, France, Russia, the United Kingdom, and the United States. So Security Council has 15 members, including 5 permanent members, which are China, France, Russia, United Kingdom, and the United States. Functions of Security Council. The Security Council decides on ways to stop fights or conflicts. This could include sending peacekeepers or applying rules to troubled areas. तो इसके functions क्या है? Security Council कुछ ways introduce करती है ताकि fights और councils stop हो. They also send keepers to some countries and also apply some rules to troublesome areas. Next is Economic and Social Council, ECOSOC. This team helps countries work together to improve the economic and people's life. ये टीम हेल्प करती है कंट्रीज की कि वो एक साथ काम करें और इकोनॉमिक लाइफ और लोगों की जो लाइफ है वो इंप्रूव हो. फंक्शंस ऑफ इट आर ECOSOC works with organizations like World Health Organization WHO and UNICEF to help people. इसकी फंक्शंस हैं कि ये वर्क करती है कुछ ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस लाइक WHO और यूनिसेफ के साथ लोगों की हेल्प करने के लिए. Next is International Court of Justice, ICJ. This is the court of UN. It handles issue between countries. तो ICJ, which is International Court of Justice, ये कोर्ट है UN की, ये इश्यूज हैंडल करती है कंट्रीज के बीच में. फंक्शंस हैं इसके. द ICJ सेटल डिस्प्यूट्स एंड प्रोवाइड एडवाइस ऑन इंटरनेशनल लॉज. ये डिस्प्यूट्स को सेटल करती है और कुछ एडवाइस देती है कुछ इंटरनेशनल लॉज पे. नाउ द लास्ट इज सेक्रेटरीट. The Secretariat is the UN's office team that looks after daily tasks. ये daily task को manage करती है. Head, it is led by Secretary General who is chosen for 5 years. It is led by the head of it is Secretary General who is chosen for 5 years. After 5 years it is changed. Functions of it is it makes sure that work of UN is done on time and properly. It ensure that UN का जो work है वो time पे हो और properly हो. Now, next topic is what does the UN do? The UN works on many important things to make the world a better place. Like the first thing it do is keeping peace and safety. The UN send peacekeepers to areas where there is fighting. The peacekeepers try to stop the fighting and protect people. The UN also talks to countries to solve arguments peacefully. तो पहला काम जो UN करती है is keeping peace and safety. UN अपने peacekeepers को different countries में भेजती है to maintain peace, to stop fighting and protect people. It also talks to countries to solve their arguments and make friends. Next it does is helping people get their rights. ये लोगों को उनके rights दिलाती है. The UN believes everyone should be treated equally. It created the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, a document which tells what right every person should have, like the right to education and freedom. तो ये लोगों को उनके rights प्रोवाइड कराती है. इट इंश्योर्स पीपल शुड बी ट्रीटेड इक्वली. इन्होंने यूएन ने क्रिएट कराया एक यूनिवर्सल डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन राइट, एक ऐसा डॉक्यूमेंट विच टेल्स व्हाट राइट्स एवरी पर्सन शुड हैव, लाइक राइट टू एजुकेशन और फ्रीडम सबके पास होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट इट डज इज प्रोवाइडिंग हेल्प ड्यूरिंग इमरजेंसीज. इमरजेंसीज के वक्त लोगों की हेल्प करता है. कैसे? लेट्स सी. The UN helps people affected by disasters like earthquakes or floods by giving food, water, medicine and shelter. It also helps refugees who are people forced to leave their homes because of wars or other problems. तो UN जो है उन लोगों की भी मदद करती है which are affected by disasters like earthquake or floods by giving them food, water, also providing them medicine and shelter. ये refugees की भी help करती है. What are refugees? The people who are forced to leave their home because of war or other problems. Next is it does is supporting development around the world. The UN has 17 goals called the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. These include ending poverty, making sure people have clean water and protecting the environment. तो UN के 17 goals हैं which are called Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. इन गोल्स में आते हैं ending poverty, making people sure have clean water and protecting the rights. So total 17 goals are there. Now the next topic is why is UN important? Because they maintain peace, they ensure development, they help people in times of need, they also help refugees. The United Nations is very important organization that helps country work together for a better world. Here are simple reasons why UN is important. The first reason is keeps peace in the world. The UN helps stop wars and fight between countries. It sends peacekeepers to place where there is trouble. So it maintains peace in the world. It sends its peacekeepers to different countries and stops their fights and conflicts. Next reason is helps people in need. The UN gives food, water and medicine to people affected by disasters, wars or poverty. So those people who are affected by any kind of disasters or wars or poverty, it also helps them in time of need. They give them food, water, medicine, etc. Protect human rights. It makes sure that everyone is treated fairly and has the right to live freely and safely. It also protects human rights. It ensures people should have right to freedom, right to live freely and safely. Fights disease. The UN helps stop the spread of dangerous diseases like malaria, polio and COVID-19 by giving medicines and vaccines. So UN also helps to spread dangerous disease like malaria, polio and COVID-19 by giving medicines and vaccines. Support education. It helps children around the world to go to school and learn, especially in poor countries. It also support education by helping people who are living in poor countries by protecting them education. Cares for the environment. The UN works to stop pollution, protect animals and keep the planet clean and safe. So it also cares for the environment. It stops pollution, it protects animals and keep the planet clean and safe by planting some trees. Next is solve global problems. Countries come together at UN to talk about big problems like climate change and hunger and find together. So it also solves global problems like many countries stick together and they talk about big problems or issues like climate change and hunger and they find solutions for those problems. Help refugees. The UN supports people by giving them food and shelter who lost their homes because of wars or natural disasters. ये refugees की भी help करते हैं. Refugees are people who are forced to leave their home because of conflict or disasters. They provide them food, water, medicines and shelter. Next is encourages friendship between countries. It helps countries become friends and work together instead of fighting. So ये friendship भी encourage करता है. It helps countries become friends and work together instead of fighting and maintain a peaceful world. Improve living standard. The UN works to make sure that people have jobs, clean water, good health and water to live safely. तो ये living standards को भी improve कर रहा है. It provides clean water. It ensures that people have jobs, good health and have enough food to live safely. So these are the reasons why UN is important for us. I hope you have understood the topics explained by me. Now let's begin with vocabulary. First is organization, a group of people working together for a common purpose. एक ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल जो कि एक साथ काम कर रहे हैं एक कॉमन पर्पस के लिए. पीस कीपर्स आर सोल्जर्स सेंड बाय यूएन टू मेंटेन पीस इन conflict areas. Human rights are the basic rights and freedoms that belong to every person. Development यानी कि the process of improving economic, social and environmental conditions of people. Refugees are those people who are forced to leave their homes due to war or disasters. Now let us recall what we have learned in this chapter. UN is like a big team for country worldwide. The UN has different parts that work together to run smoothly. The UN works on many important things to make the world a better place. The UN sends peacekeepers to areas where there is fighting or conflict. The UN also talks to countries to solve arguments and ensure friendship. The UN believes everyone should be treated equally and fairly. UN has 17 goals called the SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals. Exercise time, think and answer. Moving to the first exercise, which is take the correct option. When was the United Nations found? 1919, 1950 or 1945? So it was found in the year 1945. How many permanent members are there in the Security Council? There are 15 members. Which UN bodies settle legal disputes between countries? General Assembly, Secretariat or International Court of Justice? Option number C. What is the main goal of SDGs? Increase military power, promote support or end poverty and protect the planet. Option number C. Who led the Secretariat? The President, the Secretary General or the Security Council? Option number B. Now next exercise, fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. The dash works to maintain peace and security around the world. Security Council works to maintain peace and security around the world. Dash is UN's main court. ICJ is the main UN's court. The UN has 17 sustainable development goals. The dash helps countries to improve ECOSOC help countries to improve their economic and people's life. UN send peacekeepers to conflict zones to maintain peace. Next exercise, tick for the true and cross for the false statement. UN was created after World War II. Yes, this is true. Every country in the General Assembly has one vote. Yes, this is also true. The Security Council has 20 members. No, this is false. Security Council has only 15 members. The UN helped refugees by providing food and shelter. Yes, this is true. The Secretary General is elected for a 10-year team. No, this is false. So that's all for today. Thank you, students. I hope you have understood it well. Now we'll meet in our next class. Till the time, keep learning, keep doing great. Take care. Bye bye, students.